I was shooting some B-roll of my GoPro camera when I noticed a noticeable spot makes sense. It doesn't sound right. Spotted a spot doesn't sound right either. Anyway, I had dust on my sensor. You can even see it if you look closely on the actual sensor. But I'm now gonna remove it using this sensor cleaner. If your camera has a sensor cleaning mode, like my Sony a6400, you can use that first. Then you detach your lens and you take this blower and make sure that you don't touch the sensor, and then you carefully blow air on your sensor, and I also blew some air on my lens to clean it too. I have always managed to get rid of all dust using this technique. I have seen some small brushes that people use, but I wouldn't really advise anyone to touch your sensor when you clean it, because there is a risk that you will scratch it or make it even dirtier or ruin it in any way. So try this at first, or if it doesn't really work, maybe you can go to a camera repair shop or something like that. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding this, and if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.